Everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix blocked camera and microphone on your Google Meet Original. So all what you have to do now is to open your settings of your mobile phone, open next to your apps option. Here right now, as you see, it's loading because it's loading for all the application that I have on my phone. It will showing right now after it's loading. So after this, you have to search for Google Meet Original. So I'm waiting right now, and then I will search here for Google Meet. Open it like this. Come right now to your storage option. Click here, clear cache only, and right now back. Click here for stop and click now OK. Go to permission. Not this, sorry. Permission, and you have to give permission to camera and microphone, or if you give it to them you have to disable it and enable it again. And right now just restart your phone and your problem will be solved correctly. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.